Hey, how's it going?
It's going good. How's it going with you?
It's going amazing. So a little update. We just arrived in Idaho. We're going to skip over all of the travel and all the KOAs that we stayed at. It's Labor Day weekend. You can't really get campsites anywhere on short notice. We're just packing up for the drive. So we're at the Bismarck KOA and it's going to be about a 6-hour drive to Billings KOA. All the campgrounds are full this weekend. We have Labor Day weekend to contend with, and so we don't really get to pick exactly where we want to go. KOA is pretty nice. Totally full, totally booked solid, but it was quiet campground and nice separation, some trees here. So it was actually an enjoyable evening. But we are headed to Idaho, and that's the kind of the main destination. And that will actually be a couple of days from now. We don't use the generator very often, but this is one of the circumstances where we like to use it when we're just stopping for lunch on the side of the road and it's really hot out. We can run the air conditioner. Interesting little situation. We had started the generator and it was running just fine, and normally it kicks into 110 AC after about 20 or 30 seconds. But this time the generator just kept running, but there was no conversion to the 110. Discovered from the leisure travel van enthusiast group that there's a circuit breaker on the generator itself that can become tripped, and if that happens then the generator will continue running, but it won't be sending power to the RV. Just gonna have a little bit of lunch at Three Forks KOA. Looks like a very nice campground. Got kind of tight spaces, but it's treed and there's some space between sites, so it's actually a pretty nice spot. Well, this trip isn't quite going as planned. We have quite a bit of rain coming into the area over the next few days. So we'll see if we get out of the rain here on our next destination, which is in Idaho. So we're planning on traveling about 5 hours today, and then we'll be staying in Cataldo at an RV resort there tonight, and hopefully doing some biking maybe today, for sure tomorrow. And this was our final destination, the CDA River RV Park. I think that's what it's called.
I think so.
Anyways, the plan was to do a little bit of biking, a little bit of relaxing, mostly biking though, very little relaxing. A couple of items that have come up. There's no cell coverage here for AT&T There's one bar every so often, so you'll get notifications, but cell phone coverage is spotty. So that's good to be aware of. Also, the step on our RV stopped working when we arrived. It was raining the whole way here. So it could be something related to that, or maybe the motor decided to burn out. We have needed to change that motor once before, so maybe we have to change it again. So I don't know, but that's a minor inconvenience. It's just a big step, but we're both able to deal with that just fine, I think. We only get the unsliced burger buns because they're fresh. Actually, I usually get them by mistake, and then that's why we have to end up slicing them. But anyways, we're very happy to be eating a lovely meal, some burgers tonight.
Yep.
Some barbecue sauce, some pickles, ketchup, tomato, and some potato salad, homemade potato salad that we had Mr. Walmart made them at home for us. While we are up and going here, just about to have a little bit of breakfast, and then we're going to head out on a bike ride. Probably a pretty long bike ride if I have my way. Well, we'll see. Temperature is non-existent data. Apparently, we're not going to know what the temperature is. I think it's in the 50s. That's what it was forecast for. did it. Nice.
Did it.
All right, so what did you think? So we just got back from a 52-mile ride.
Yep.
How'd it go?
I'm exhausted. And you know, that's kind of interesting. I mean, because we have e-bikes, and so you think, oh, you're not even like working out or anything like that. But well, I actually, you know, will bike, but then the battery just gives the assist. So I'm tired. My butt hurts and I'm tired.
Yeah, it was
my legs hurt.
It was a easy path. It was no up and down, of course, on the trail from a railroad, and then, you know, of course, wind was very light, but even if it was there, the e-bike helps with that.
Yeah.
The most amazing scenery that I think we've had on any e-bike ride ever. Just gorgeous views of the mountains and the lake and the river. So, yeah, definitely an amazing ride.
Yeah, definitely.
Morning, day 6 of our adventure. We are leaving Idaho today, and we're going to be headed to Montana again, going to Lewis and Clark Caverns State Park. So should be a good day for driving.
Yep.
And we'll see you on the road.